Some Goodman capacitors list separate microfarad ratings for the fan and the compressor because each motor needs a different amount of stored charge to start and run properly. A capacitor serves two roles in an air conditioning unit, providing a phase shift to create rotational torque and storing energy to help start motors, and the compressor motor usually requires a larger microfarad value than the fan motor due to its higher starting torque and different electrical characteristics. When a capacitor is dual rated, you will see two microfarad numbers and a common terminal designation. So match the common and each motor lead to the correct terminal when inspecting or replacing the part. Always confirm the rated voltage and microfarad values against the compressor and fan motor nameplates or the equipment schematic rather than relying on memory, and if the label is faded, take a clear photograph before removing the old capacitor. Use a meter with a capacitance function to measure the installed capacitor after discharging it safely with a resistor. If the measured value is outside the tolerance on the capacitor label, replace it rather than risk marginal performance. When ordering a replacement, buy a capacitor that matches both microfarad values and voltage rating and physically fits the mounting space. And if you cannot find an exact dual-rated unit, a common practice is to match the larger motor value and use a separate single capacitor for the other motor only if the system design allows it. For technicians working in the field, keep a small stock of common dual-rated capacitors and carry terminal identifiers so you can swap parts quickly and avoid miswiring, which can damage motors. Technicians often assume one capacitor value fits all and install a single value unit that underpowers the compressor, which causes hard starting and overheating, so always check both ratings and replace with a unit that matches both numbers. Another common mistake is failing to discharge the capacitor before handling it, which creates a shock risk. Always discharge through a resistor and verify zero voltage with a meter before touching terminals. Finally, people sometimes misinterpret the labeling and swap the fan and compressor leads, leading to poor motor performance. So, mark and photograph terminal positions before removal and confirm connections against the schematic. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors by listing available professionals and allowing users to compare project experiences and estimates. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors ask questions, share tips, and discuss component issues like capacitor ratings so we can all learn from real-world experiences.